Hello friend, this is my dating salad. I'm going to eat it with my new friend, Mr. Woof. So let's start. The first one I used here is carrot. Then cucumber. Next one is rocket salad. I like it very much. Try lettuce. Mr. Wolf is full, but I'm still hungry. There's a pumpkin in the kitchen. Maybe I can use it. This is a recipe I used in stuffed pumpkin. First, open a lid on pumpkin. Take care when you cut it. I use a big knife to cut the shape, then use a small one to cut inside. After you remove the lid, clean up the seeds. Cut the garlic, then put it with salt and pepper into the rice. Next, cut corn salad. You can also use scallion instead of it. Pour some shredded cheese. Then mix them together and put them all into the pumpkin. To make it look better, I like put a little bit cheese on the top before I put the cover back. Step is easy. Put it on a plate, then put them into microwave. I use about 20 minutes to cook it. So finished. Food is ready. This is my extra pumpkin meal after dating salad. Hope you enjoy it. Have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye bye.